everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add this PNG link on my description below. You can check it from there. So first let's move this PNG to our composition. Okay, and let's change the scale. For that let's press S and let's change the scale from there. Okay, now let's close it for now. Now right mouse here, go to new and let's click to solid. And let's rename it to snow and click OK. Now go to FX presets and let's search for CC particle world. Now let's hold it and let's move it to our solid. And from FX control section, open the particle and let's change first the particle type. I'm gonna use texture square and open the square. Let's change none to this PNG that we added. Okay, and let's change the color as well. Let's make it white. Click OK, and this one as well. And now let's open the producer and let's change the position Y. Let's move it to the up to here. Okay, and change the radius X as well. Let's make it like this. If you move it like this, so we're gonna see the particle like this. Now let's change some settings from this effect. As you see, there is some problems with the opacity, so to fix that let's change the max opacity to 100 and also size variation. I'm gonna change it to 100 as well. Okay, nice. And now let's open the physics and let's change the animation explosive to twirl it to make it more randomly and it will be more smooth. And also let's change the radius Z as well, like this maybe, to make it more realistic. Now let's change some physics settings. Let's change the velocity to 0.7 and gravity to 0.040. Now let's change the extra angle, let's make it 0. But as you see, we can't see the particles now, so to fix that we have to change this longevity. Let's change it like this. Let's go to 5 seconds and make it 5. Okay, nice. And let's move it to from full to quarter so we can preview it. Let's see a little bit. Okay, I think it's kinda fast, so to fix that let's change the resonance. Let's maybe make it 0.6. Let's see it a little bit. Okay, this one is more better now. Okay, let's preview it again. Nice, this one looks realistic and you can use it in your animations. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.